With every step you take, there's a universal symphony echoing in the cosmos, whispering secrets of love and connection. Have you ever stopped to feel that energy around you? Life, with its nuances and challenges, is full of signs that guide us. The universe is always speaking, but it's up to you to listen. Today, I want you to pay attention. You are on their destiny's path. Picture yourself in a vast field under a deep blue sky, where each cloud is a possibility, and each breeze is a message. That lightness you experience, that hope rising in your heart, is the confirmation that you are part of their journey, and they of yours. The angels are weaving a plan, an invisible thread connecting what you desire to what they also seek. Often, we let doubt and insecurity take over, wondering if what we feel is real or just an illusion. Have you ever caught yourself wondering if they feel the same intensity? These questions are natural, but remember, true love doesn't hide. It shines with a light that cannot be ignored. And this leads us to reflect on the synchronicities that appear in your life. Have you noticed how certain songs, conversations, or even unexpected encounters seem to point to them? These are the universe's messages, revealing that your path is intertwined with theirs. It's as if the angels are whispering, "Believe, you are exactly where you need to be." Now, take a moment and feel the energy around you. What would you like to manifest in your life? What intentions do you want to set into the universe? Leave your affirmation in the comments, because this is the first step to solidify the connection that already exists. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. The angels are here to guide you, illuminating your path with love and wisdom. But what comes next? What steps can you take to strengthen that connection? Get ready, because the answer is closer than you imagine. The universe has a plan, and you are a crucial piece in this beautiful tapestry of love and destiny. Life is a tangle of signs, a subtle dance between what we see and what we feel. Have you ever stopped to observe the small details that make up your daily life? The whispers of the universe surround you, and the angels, with their radiant light, wish to communicate with you in ways that often go unnoticed. They are here, ready to guide your steps, and it is essential that you pay attention to these messages. Imagine yourself walking through a sunny park, the warmth of the light touching your skin, while a gentle breeze caresses your face. In the midst of this peaceful scene, a white feather lands in your path. This small symbol may seem insignificant, but it is one of the many ways that angels find to connect with you. Feathers represent protection and love, a reminder that you are never alone. These moments, often considered coincidences, hold deep meaning. You are being called to pay attention. Angels communicate through numbers, dreams, and even through unexpected encounters. Have you noticed how certain number combinations seem to repeat in your life? It could be a sign that you are aligned with your purpose. Or perhaps, upon waking from a vivid dream, you feel a clear message, an insight that resonates with your reality. These experiences are invitations for you to dive deeper into your spiritual connection. When considering this, ask yourself, what am I overlooking in my life? What signs are screaming for my attention? Many people report that, in moments of doubt, they feel the presence of something bigger, as if an internal light is guiding them. These instances are opportunities for you to reconnect with your essence and understand that the universe is working in your favor. But how do you recognize these signs? A simple ritual can help. Upon waking up, light a candle and say out loud, "I am open to the messages of the universe. May I recognize the signs that come to me." This small action creates a powerful intention, opening your mind and heart to the wisdom that the angels want to share. And as you reflect on these experiences, remember that your journey is unique. The angels know your path, and they are here to support you. You are part of a larger plan, and each sign is a step towards a bright future. Now, as you finish reading this part, ask yourself, what signs have I already noticed and what could they mean? The truth is that the universe is always in communication with you, and the next message could be even more revealing. How can you honor this connection? Throughout the day, as you have your coffee or walk down the street, keep your eyes and heart open. The angels are watching, ready to manifest. And who knows, the next clue about their future may come in a surprising way. Get ready, because the beauty of life is revealed when you allow yourself to see. In the magical dance of life, where each step resonates with the melodies of the heart, emotional connection emerges as one of the most powerful pillars we can cultivate. When the bonds we form transcend the surface and dive into the depths of the soul, it is in that moment that the true miracle happens. Have you ever stopped to reflect on how these connections can shape your destiny? I imagine that, like many, you have experienced moments where a simple glance or a whispered word in the wind could transform your day. These moments, full of depth and sincerity, are like stars that illuminate the darkness, guiding you through uncertainties. Angels remind us that amidst emotional storms, it's the connections we have with others that provide shelter and understanding. Do you feel that light around you? By forming emotional bonds, you not only touch someone else's life but also transform yourself. Think of a friendship that blossomed in a moment of vulnerability. How did that relationship help you rediscover yourself? The truth is, these interactions, which may seem simple at first glance, are actually reflections of the divine energy that unites us. Angels are always by your side, witnessing and supporting these sacred exchanges. But how can you cultivate these connections genuinely and deeply? One way is to open your heart and allow yourself to be vulnerable. By sharing your fears and dreams, you create a gateway for love to flow. Have you allowed yourself to be seen in your entirety? When you express yourself authentically, others sense that truth and connect with you on a deeper level. That's the essence of a true relationship. This leads us to understand that the barriers we often build are born out of fear of judgment or rejection. However, the angels want you to know that these barriers can be dissolved with the light of love. Instead of hiding, let your essence shine. By doing so, you not only become a beacon for those around you but also attract those destined to walk by your side. What are you ready to release to allow this connection to flourish? As you ponder on this, remember that each interaction is an opportunity to forge bonds that transcend time and space. Think of a small gesture you can make today to strengthen a special connection. How about sending a heartfelt message, or even scheduling a coffee date to share? These little acts nurture fertile ground for emotional growth. Now you may wonder, what's the next step the angels have in store for you on this path of connection? In considering this, know that the answer may be closer than you think. Sometimes, a simple gesture is all it takes for miracles to unfold. And as you allow yourself to explore these possibilities, remember that the bonds you create are the key to unlocking a future brimming with love and wisdom. Get ready, for the next revelation about how these connections intertwine in your journey will be even more powerful. The angel's light is illuminating your path, and they yearn for you to discover the beauty that exists in every relationship you nurture. Are you ready to embrace this magic? At times, the challenges that arise in our lives can seem like insurmountable mountains, don't they? You may feel there are invisible barriers between you and the love you so desire. But remember, these fears are mere shadows that dissipate when touched by the light of consciousness and courage. The angels whisper to you that true magic happens when you choose to face these challenges head-on. Imagine yourself in a moment of introspection, wrapped in a cloak of serenity. It's in this sacred space that you can begin to recognize the fears that have been blocking your path. Have you ever stopped to think about how these feelings may be shaping your decisions? Sometimes, a simple thought like "I am not worthy" or "I cannot have this" can turn into a wall that separates us from our desires. But what if I told you that this wall is built of illusions that you have the power to dismantle? Many stories tell of moments of great difficulty, when a person found themselves facing a fear that paralyzed them. Upon looking within, they realized that this fear was merely a reflection of past insecurities. With this awareness, they chose to allow themselves to feel. And in doing so, the light of truth began to shine in their heart. This is the key. By acknowledging and feeling your fears, you initiate a process of release. The angels are by your side, offering support and guidance at every step of this journey. So considering this, ask yourself, what fears have you allowed to govern your life? Are they truly based on truths or on experiences you have already overcome? Transformation begins when you allow yourself to confront these questions. By opening up to this reflection, you start to create a space for healing and unity. Now envision yourself performing a simple ritual. Light a candle and as the flame dances, repeat aloud, "I am deserving of love and happiness." Feel the energy of this affirmation filling your being. Each word is a step towards overcoming. In doing so, you not only connect with your essence, but also summon the presence of the angels, who are ready to surround you with light and protection. But what happens when you face those fears? The universe responds with opportunities and signs. You begin to notice yourself more open to new experiences, more capable of connecting with those who resonate with your soul. The angels want you to know that, by overcoming their challenges, you become the creator of their own destiny. The love you seek is not just in another person, but within yourself, waiting to be revealed. And as you reflect on this, a question lingers in the air. Are you ready to leave behind what no longer serves you? Are you willing to set yourself free and move forward? Every step you take towards overcoming is a gift you give to yourself. Get ready, because the light you are building now will illuminate not only your path, but also that of those who are on their way to you. The angels are pleased with your courage and will send blessings in every decision you make. Seize this opportunity to connect even more with yourself and allow the light of transformation to guide your heart. In a moment of inner silence, you may feel the gentleness of a breeze, bringing with it the essence of renewal. Self-awareness is that refreshing breeze that arrives amidst the heat of uncertainty, revealing deep layers of who you truly are. Have you allowed yourself to explore the depths of your being? By diving into your own essence, you not only find answers, but also discover the transformative power that this can have in building the future you desire. Imagine yourself in front of a mirror, not only reflecting your image, but also your emotions, longings, and fears. Every thought, every memory, is a thread weaving the tapestry of your life. It is in this process of looking within that you begin to understand that every experience, whether good or challenging, contributes to your growth. The angels are always by your side, guiding this journey of self-discovery, whispering words of courage and love. Have you ever noticed how, during moments of introspection, small signs may appear, like a white feather or a gentle flickering light? These are reminders that you are connected to something greater. As you delve into your emotions, you begin to recognize patterns that you may not have noticed before. And that is liberating. It's like you're opening a door that has always been locked, allowing light to come in and illuminate the darkest corners. But what happens when you truly know yourself? You become capable of making decisions that resonate with your true essence. Every choice becomes an act of self-love, an affirmation of your dignity. It is in this space of authenticity that the future begins to take shape, not just yours, but the future shared with those who have chosen to stand by your side. As you reflect on this, ask yourself, what do the angels want you to know about your journey of self-discovery? How can this process shape the relationship you wish to build? Every step you take towards a deeper understanding of yourself is a step towards love and connection with others. You are not alone in this quest. The universe is working in your favor, and the angels are here to remind you of that. And as you continue on this journey, consider the idea of performing a small ritual. Light a candle in a peaceful space, allowing the flame to symbolize the light of your self-discovery. As you watch the light dance, repeat aloud, "I am worthy of the love I desire and the life I am creating." Feel the energy flowing and filling every part of your being. It is in this moment that you connect with your deepest truth. Now, as you reflect on these experiences, remember, what could be on their path, waiting to be acknowledged? The angels have something special reserved for them, a revelation that could change everything. And in this quest for clarity, they may discover that what seemed uncertain transforms into endless possibilities. Are they ready to embrace this transformation? Life is a great mystery, an intertwining of energies and intentions dancing in harmony or disharmony, depending on what they choose to resonate. Every thought that sprouts in their mind is a seed cast into the universe, and with every intention they put out into the world, a new reality begins to take shape. Do they feel it? The power of their intention is immense, and by understanding how their vibrations affect what is to come, they become capable of shaping their own destiny. Picture yourself in a garden, where their intentions are the flowers they nurture. Each one of them needs care, love, and above all, attention. When they connect with the energy of their intention, it's like watering these flowers with the sunlight. They bloom and become part of the beauty of their life. But what if they neglect this garden? What if, instead of flowers, they cultivate weeds, negative thoughts, and doubts? What could happen to their future? The vibrations emanating from their thoughts and feelings attract experiences that resonate with that same frequency. Have they ever noticed how, in moments of joy, everything seems to flow? Doors open, coincidences multiply, and opportunities arise like sunbeams on a cloudy day. That's the magic of intention. It's the affirmation that they are aligned with the positive energy that the universe wants to offer. But what happens when doubt and fear take over you? At that moment, your vibrations become heavy. It's like being surrounded by dark clouds blocking the light from coming in. The angels, always vigilant, want you to understand that these feelings can dim your ability to attract what you truly deserve. They are here to remind you, you are worthy of the light you desire. As you consider this, take a moment to reflect. In which areas of your life have you allowed negativity to prevail? What are the angels trying to show you when they sense that your intentions are not in alignment with what you truly desire? Here, the transformation begins. It's necessary to become aware of these vibrations and make a conscious choice to cultivate what is positive. A simple practice can assist in this process. Set aside a moment in your day, sit in a peaceful place, and place your hand over your heart. Take deep breaths and repeat, I am worthy of the light that surrounds me. My intentions are powerful, and I use them to create a bright future. Feel the vibrant energy flowing through you, like a gentle breeze caressing your skin. This connection with your feelings and intentions will allow you to make room for the universe to work in your favor. As you dedicate yourself to this practice, observe the changes in your life. What begins to manifest? The angels are whispering the answers in your heart, and they are more than mere wishes. They are your truth, your essence, connecting to the whole. And this leads us to a powerful question. How can you, from this moment on, raise your vibrations and align your intentions with what you truly desire? While you ponder on this, know that the next revelation will be even more significant. What do the angels have to say about the power of manifesting your dreams? Get ready to discover, for the journey of transformation is just beginning. With every step you take, there's a silent dance between your heart and the universe's plans. Have you ever paused to notice how each small gesture, each choice, reverberates in your life? The journey of love isn't just about finding someone. It's a path filled with signs, synchronicities, and moments that connect us to something greater. By reflecting on your path, you can see that every experience, even the most challenging ones, carries a powerful message. When you surrender to the flow of life, angels surround you, guiding and illuminating your path. Every encounter, every farewell, is a chapter that shapes your story. Do you remember a moment when you felt a special connection with someone, as if the universe was conspiring for your paths to cross? These moments are more than mere coincidences. They are celestial whispers affirming that you're on the right track. Picture yourself walking through a beautiful park, leaves dancing in the wind, and as you take a deep breath, you realize that every step is an affirmation of your worth. The angels whisper, you are worthy of love and happiness. This profound recognition is the first step towards accepting that the future you desire is also being shaped in this moment. Have you ever felt that with every loving decision you make, you're sketching a new chapter of your life? Love is an artist, and you are the canvas. As we ponder on this journey, it's vital to remember that vulnerability is a strength, not a weakness. Opening yourself up to love requires courage, and each time you choose to love, you're connecting with a higher energy. Once, a friend allowed themselves to love again after a heartbreak, and in that process, they found not only a partner but also themselves. This transformation led them to discover that true love starts from within. Are you allowing yourself to live this experience? But what comes next? The angels are preparing something special for you. Every step you take today is a clear sign that the future you desire is drawing near. As you reflect on your intentions, ask yourself, what do I really want to attract into my life? This question is not just an invitation to ponder, but an opening for the energy of love to manifest abundantly. And while you connect to that intention, feel the inner light shining within you. The angels are here, ready to guide you towards what you truly deserve. Remember, even in moments of uncertainty, you are not alone. With each new dawn, the universe renews itself, and along with it, your possibilities also expand. Visualize yourself surrounded by love and protection. Open your mind and your heart to what is to come. And remember, every step taken is an invitation for you to trust in the journey and the signs that the universe offers you. What do the angels have in store for you? That answer is about to be revealed, and your love story is just beginning to unfold.